We actually did a drill rebuild right there. Earlier this year, one of our rebuilders worked on it. And full stainless, full drill, stuff like that. We had some gauge wheel tires that we left here, so we're gonna get those picked up and we're gonna go check out his drill. So we'll do that after we load the tires. You got 4, I've got 4, 2 left. Come on, buddy. Well, I had a dog that was wanting to play fetch, but apparently he didn't want me to throw it again to him. Show Adam what it's like to see a rebuild drill from Ready. You're gonna do the next one, so.
Oh yeah?
So we got an 1890, I believe this is a 42.5 foot, 7.5 inch spacing, 68 row. So he had already had spoked wheels on here. You can see that we added discs, new seed tabs, vanilla seed tabs, the V8 firming wheels, pivots, got very little slop, that's been fixed. These here, the lifetime spindles, I believe.
Looks pretty good. I mean, everything's moving.
Everything's free.
Everything's free. It looks like for the most part they're spinning on the bolt.
So this was probably the greaseless bushing kit here.
Yep.
That's still nice and tight and pivoting.
Yep.
I believe this press wheel arm pivot was a greaseless bushing kit. Yep. From Mag. Poly one. Blockage system. That's, I think, another thing we did. We did the see the
Yep.
the logos. Although it's upside down. How dare they? Intelligent Ag Recon blockage system from Ready. Got some stainless steel couplers, brand new hose throughout the whole drill. 270 bushel cart. This cart had a lot of corrosion when we first saw it. You can see even the frame here was kind of toasted.
Oh yeah.
Here's front frame rail. But as long as that frame holds together, we got some parts that are going to last a long time. I think he'd already worked on the meter housing up front, which was maybe use it just for seed now. So this one we kept as is. He'd already worked on that. He probably would have gone stainless if he hadn't. We did a lower kit in stainless. The tubes from between the tanks is stainless steel. Hey, look at that. Who's that? Nice. Stainless steel meter housing, still looking great. Say goodbye to Joel, and oh, she wants her ball. Come on.
We're just about out of the air.
We're gonna close up that and get on the road. Adam, you're driving. I got shotgun. That's just so I can do some work. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe below. Our goal is to help farmers keep on farming. If what you saw would help you in your operation, contact us today. God bless.